Have you ever spent countless hours studying, reading textbooks, attending lectures, and still felt completely unprepared when it mattered the most? Maybe you followed every study tip, memorized everything you could, and yet the results just didn't match your effort. It's frustrating, isn't it? You start questioning yourself, wondering if you're not smart enough or just not working hard enough. But here's the truth. It's not your fault. The traditional education system wasn't built to help every student succeed. It was built for the masses. Before we dive into how this can be changed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more insights on smarter ways to learn and grow. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on content that could change the way you learn forever. Now let's get back to why traditional learning is failing you and what you can do about it. The real problem with traditional learning, the education system most of us know hasn't evolved much in decades. Think about it. Students are still being taught in the same way. Lectures, textbooks, homework, exams. It's a rigid, one-size-fits-all approach. Everyone is expected to learn the same material in the same amount of time and in the same way. But here's the problem. Not everyone learns the same way. Some people absorb information through visuals, others by listening, and some need hands-on practice to truly understand a concept. Yet traditional education often ignores these differences. If the pace is too fast, you fall behind. If it's too slow, you get bored. And let's not forget the pressure to memorize rather than truly understand the material. This outdated system leads to wasted time, constant frustration, and for many, it creates a belief that they're simply not smart enough. But that's not true. The problem isn't with you, it's with the system. Imagine learning that adapts to you now. Imagine if learning wasn't like that. Imagine if your education was designed around you, your pace, your style, your strengths, and your weaknesses. What if your study material adjusted to how well you understood a topic, giving you more help where you struggled and moving faster where you excelled? Sounds impossible, it's not. This is exactly what artificial intelligence, AI, is bringing to education. AI is transforming how we learn, making it personalized, adaptive, and far more effective than traditional study methods. It's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. AI tools that are changing the way we learn. Let's talk about how AI tools are already revolutionizing education and how they can help you achieve better results in less time. ChatGPT, your personal tutor, anytime stuck on a concept late at night with no one to ask. ChatGPT is like having a tutor available 24/7. It can break down complex topics into simple, easy-to-understand explanations, offer step-by-step solutions, and even help brainstorm ideas for essays and projects. No need to wait for the next class or spend hours searching online. Grammarly, write with confidence, struggling to write essays, reports, or presentations. Grammarly does more than just correct spelling mistakes. It improves your sentence structure, tone, and clarity, making your writing polished and professional. Whether it's an academic essay or a simple email, Grammarly ensures your message is clear and impactful. Notion AI, organize your learning like a pro. Feeling overwhelmed by unorganized notes and endless study materials? Notion AI helps you create custom study plans, generate summaries of complex topics, and organize your notes efficiently. It's like having a digital planner and research assistant in one. Quizlet, smarter revision with AI. Memorizing information can be tedious, but Quizlet makes it interactive and efficient. Its AI-driven flashcards and quizzes adapt to your learning progress, focusing on the topics you need to improve. No more wasting time on what you already know. Socratic by Google, solve problems. Instantly got stuck on a math problem or science question? Socratic by Google lets you snap a photo of a problem and breaks it down step by step. It connects you to reliable explanations and videos, making tough subjects much easier to understand. Duolingo, personalized language learning. Learning a new language can feel overwhelming, but Duolingo makes it fun and adaptive. The app adjusts lessons based on how well you're progressing, giving extra practice where needed and advancing when you're ready. Otter.ai, smart note-taking. Tired of missing important points in lectures? Otter.ai transcribes spoken words in real time, letting you focus on understanding instead of frantically taking notes. It even summarizes discussions so you can easily review what you learned. Coursera and edX, tailored online courses. These online platforms use AI to recommend courses based on your interests and goals, offering personalized learning paths. Whether you want to learn coding, business strategies, or creative writing, these platforms guide you step by step. Why AI works better than traditional methods. Traditional learning often focuses on memorization, but AI focuses on understanding and application. AI tools adapt to your learning style and pace, helping you grasp concepts faster and more deeply. They provide real-time feedback, guiding you on what to improve and how to do it efficiently. Instead of passively consuming information, AI makes learning interactive and engaging. You become an active participant in your education, which leads to better retention and higher performance. AI also levels the playing field. Students with learning difficulties or disabilities benefit from tools like Kurzweil 3000 for text-to-speech support or Ginger software for real-time writing corrections, making learning more accessible for everyone. The future of education is already here. AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's already here, transforming the way we learn and succeed. Students using AI tools aren't just studying, they're mastering subjects, applying knowledge, and achieving real results. Imagine no longer feeling overwhelmed by textbooks or stressed about exams. Instead, imagine learning in a way that feels natural, efficient, and even enjoyable. AI is making this possible. Are you ready to take control of your learning? The choice is yours. You can continue struggling with outdated study methods or embrace the smarter, more effective way to learn. AI-powered tools are designed to help you study smarter, save time, and achieve the success you deserve. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential? Don't wait for the education system to change. Take control of your learning journey now. Got a favorite AI tool that's helped you study better? Drop a comment below and let's help each other grow and succeed. Your future starts today. Start using AI-powered learning tools now and take the first step towards achieving your goals.